Are you thinking about buying a home this year? What if I told you there's a way to skip the headaches of renovations, avoid costly repairs, and design the home of your dreams all at once? Hi, I'm Kendall Davis. I'm the VP of Sales for the Neal and Neal team, and today I want to talk with you about why brand new homes are taking the market by storm and why they just might be the perfect fit for you. Did you know that newly built homes made up 15% of all home sales last year? That's the highest percentage in 17 years. So why are so many buyers opting for new construction? Let's dive into the top reasons buyers are loving new builds. Reason number one, peace of mind. 42% of buyers said the biggest perk of a new build is avoiding costly repairs. When you buy a newly built home, you're getting brand new plumbing, electricity, and appliances. Plus, many builders include warranties, giving you extra protection for major systems. That is a huge win for your wallet. Second, it's all about personalization. Buyers love the ability to customize their new home, whether it's choosing cabinet knobs, floor plans, or even the color of the siding. If you're tired of searching for the perfect home, why not just build it the way you want it from the start? Next up, many new developments also come with incredible amenities. Think parks, pools, fitness centers, and more. These aren't just perks, they're opportunities to connect with your community and enjoy a lifestyle upgrade. Also, with fewer existing homes on the market, builders are stepping up to fill the gap. New construction homes now make up a larger portion of available inventory, especially here in the San Antonio area. So if you're struggling to find the right fit in the real estate market, it's time to check out what builders have to offer. Lastly, let's talk about your savings. New builds are packed with the latest energy-efficient materials and technologies, which means lower utility bills and a smaller environmental footprint. And if you're into new smart home features, you're in luck. New construction often comes equipped with the latest advancement to make life easier and more connected for you in 2025. Thinking about checking out new construction homes? Here's something important to keep in mind. Always bring your own real estate agent. Builder contracts can be tricky, and those friendly sales reps at the model homes, they work for the builder, not you. An agent on your side ensures that you get the best deal, quality construction, and someone who's got your back throughout the process. Are you ready to explore the world of new construction homes? Imagine skipping the renovations and designing your dream space and enjoying the peace of mind that comes with a brand new build. If this sounds like your kind of move, let's connect. Our team specializes in new construction, and we are here to guide you every step of the way and help you negotiate the best deal possible. Let's make your dream home a reality. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and drop your questions in the comments below. We would love to hear from you.